Make a great choice today with the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, touring suspension, panoramic roof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.